Good morning, YouTube DIYers. Shanty Fix here. Hey, I wanted to share my homemade fabrication welding table. I used a old range hood that the wife and I revamped our kitchen a little bit, so I recycled this old range hood here that I took out of our kitchen. Down below there, that's my first welder. Had that welder for probably about 30 years. That was purchased at the old Sears and Roebuck store. There's my MIG. This thing works pretty good. I was messing around just tacking together some conduit this morning, and if you've ever messed around with conduit, you get a lot of exhaust smoke coming off of that. I'll give you a little demo of the features on it. Has a light. Got 2 speeds on the exhaust fan. There's low. There's high. And if I need any additional, I can raise this window right here, put my screen in, but so far it's worked pretty well. I have it vented to the outside, and then I just have it covered. You can see here, I just went to Lowe's, got a piece of ductwork there and vented it outside, and I covered that with a screen. So far it's worked out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Harbor Freight stand for the gun. It was like $8. I love that thing. Yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. Really easy to make, pretty inexpensive. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Bye.